blues, clouds hanging heavy over my bad news. Long walks, late trains, talking to myself in the silver rain. Kept lists of almost every quiet crush became a pale ghost. Felt bored, felt brave, still I always stopped at the same old wave. But then I found you in the rain, hair all tangled, laughing through the gray, like the sky just cracked to let you through. I've been waiting all my life just to stand here soaked in light, yeah. Every storm was just my road to you. Damp hands, you smiled, said the weather kinda suits your style. Cheap tea, shared scarf, we were both shivering in the same dark. Small jokes, soft eyes, you were every answer I could not write. All the wrong turns led me to the corner where your headlights burn. And I found you in the rain, shoes all muddy, calling out my name, like the day got tired of being blue. I've been waiting all my life, every lonely, restless night now. Every drop is singing, she's the one, it's you. All those empty rooms I painted, all those coffees going cold, I was just a story waiting for a hand that I could hold. So I'll meet you in the rain, let it fall and wash the old away. Every lifetime leading to this view, I've been waiting all